didn't get that off the stick there, bud.
Five-year-old male bobcat. He likes to spend his day snuggling and playing with his companion Marianne. Feeding time is every big cat's favorite time of day. When they hear the food cart, they get really excited. Aspen is an 18-year-old female cougar. She likes to spend her day lounging around on the top of her den. She gets so excited for breakfast time she doesn't know whether to meow, purr, or hiss.
Ready, down. Oh, what a good girl you are. I know, I touched your foot. Oh, goodness. Not that. You can sit down, baby girl. We're going to be here a while.
Joseph is a 17-year-old male lion. He likes to lounge on his platform and keep his neighbors in line. Joseph got a special treat for his birthday, but please note, this is not a part of his main diet.
Come here. Yum, yum. I know, yum, yum. Oh, you didn't get that off the stick there, bud. Should just put his meds in ice cream. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. They taste so good.
Oh
yeah.
I can't get it off of the stick.
He says, hurry up.
I know, he's like, hurry up. You're so slow. You're so slow with my ice cream. You're so slow with my ice cream. Good job, buddy. Good job. That's so good. Was that good?